Today I've been working on a new way to capture things inside Minecraft. So if we start the new content modes, you can see for this specific cinematic, it starts the cinematic, it shows where it is along, and we can control, so we can start playback, and then we can see the camera moving, we can see NPCs moving, doing things, we can see the chat moving, but we can just interrupt it and even go backwards in time, or we can skip a few frames or go a few frames backwards. We can even scroll if we want to get all the way to the end or all the way back to the beginning, just to have much more control over where we are inside the cinematic. And all of this is documented on the items themselves. And later on you'll be able to start recording an NPC and do all kinds of stuff with this. So that's the progress for today.